And the boy Gaza Uncle, man. They go over him channel. They go over him blood clot channel because him step on dancehall war debate over Vybz Kartel and so forth. So they go over there and say, yo, he must have this a man will always use crap. And the numbers and these type of things over there talk about. Really and truly Vybz Kartel around the thing because he had the more impact. Come on the panel, if him around the headquarter, and him around the blood clot headquarter, right? If him around the blood clot headquarter, people can call it and say what the fuck them are saying. And especially, I'm defending the same fucking movement and this motherfucker. I'm gonna go and like say, you're special. What the fuck you think your shit can eat, boy? When you want somebody to eat your shit, you want somebody to scrape out the shit out of the toilet and eat it. That is what you want?
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. It's yeah, my people, so yo, there again, you know, mad thing, you know, you see me? Cause you don't know Gaza Uncle release a bag of new info and details about what to expect for this 2026, the new year for Gaza Nation. Whole heap of prizes and surprises, you see me I say? Whole heap of new things, and we know say the haters them are listening, you know. You see me, and them can't stop this, you know. The haters them are go hear what go on, you know, and them can't stop this, you know. You see me? So watch what go on, you know, for the 2026. You see me, a bag of thing. Me I go just make Gaza Uncle tell you what I go on. Cause you don't know him the own Vybz Kartel. Him get chosen. Him are the chosen vlogger. You see me? As much as Kartel did forward out and say Brando I'm favorite vlogger, we now realize and see say a Gaza Uncle take over. You know say Gaza Uncle dangerous, you know. He will make that's why Gaza Uncle have the Gaza fight against Gaza, you know, a bag of Gaza people a fight against Gaza people. Because you see through Vybz Kartel is a big bro G. Vybz Kartel control be a different country. So you have different point of views. People from different community where I say Gaza, where see things different. But a blood now Gaza Uncle Jaggy the blessing and Kartel, Christ Kartel. You see me the God of dancehall himself. You see me dancehall itself. Kartel say Gaza Uncle. And you know as me tell you now, actions speak louder than words. So when a man say yo you are the favorite and you see him start get so close to our next favorite, you just have to know because actions speak louder than words. Now, I never lie. Vybz Kartel I tell when him say Brando review I'm favorite vlogger, you know. But it's just that at that time, Gaza Uncle was up and forwarding for the space out of nowhere to becoming the top vlogger. And even though Gaza Uncle have like him have about nearly 30,000 subscribers lesser than Brando, which basically equates to Gaza Uncle really having a 30,000 subscriber, while Brando him a look for go on to 60,000 subscribers. So it's not really always about numbers when it comes to who's more effective, and you know what I mean? Because guess what going on now? Vybz Kartel, the name alone, is like a war zone. Zine and dancehall again is a battlefield. And remember, say Vybz Kartel is mighty in battle. He's also the Prince of Peace. Because remember, say him left prison and him forward out and is a peace treaty thing him dep and him just a show love and a business who a show hate. You get what I say? So as me tell you now, him a the war god. Him a God itself. Him is the art of war. him, you see the red way me now, I'm telling you, so the signs are always there. The red where you see me now, it represent the fire and the heart of war that is. Notice anytime man, I can point out the colors. You see me, I'm never pick that picture purposely like that for this point proven. The only reason why I'm pick out a video because Gaza Uncle in it, I'm gonna pick out a few more when I'm not pick out yet. So guess what? You see, Vybz Kartel, man, him seal it at the God. Because all of us were made in his image and likeness, especially the one them were bleach. You get what I say? Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel come coach Jamaica, you know. I'm come teach, you know. All of us. Because when Vybz Kartel say Catherine's badness, Portmore badness, Spanish Town badness, what you feel like Saint and badness? You know, I must show you which part of the badness from Vybz Kartel go lyrics, lyricist part 1. Zine with him and Shandizzy and Cancy them on the intro. I say, yo, Kartel are the wickedest thing, and Ray Ray and them I say, wickedest thing what? Cause Cancy a defend Kartel in the intro and Shandizzy a go against so Cancy a say. You see me I say? Till Kartel have to just interrupt them and say, yo, me a lyrically inclined, some boy you sing line you know, in mind. Cock up your nose for the sting crime of the king time, wicked like St. James and Kingston and St. Catherine crime. You get what me I say? Yo, them 3 places that the man call, you see me? 3 places that the man call. And that's so the 3 wickedest players. So pussy them load up the nice out there, so I interrupt my thing now. I'm going to wait till them. I'm going to pause this and go talk to them. Yeah, my people, so we just have to go and do it, cause I still Vybz Kartel are playing at the background, you see me? So, you don't know, we're not going to stop it, and we're not going to think there, Kartel, so we make it go and play and slide, because we not see the dog them out there, but them thing there, them backs are play loud, and we just allow it, you see me? Lone Kartel, you see me I say? So watch this now, may I show you something. When Vybz Kartel saying a lyricist say we wicked like St. James and St. Catherine and Kingston crime, he must show you say the 3 baddest parish them there will run violence, were wicked and vile. So I may show you say the teacher. When you hear me say them thing, they teach my teacher say, yo, don't mess with certain people from them 3 parish there. So if you forward from Kingston, some boy enough to play with Kingston man them and gal them. From you forward from Mobile, because when him say we bad like Kingston and St. James and St. Catherine crime, St. James and Mobile, Montego Bay, flank all the whole of them places, Tamale, you see me? And when him tell you St. Catherine crime, and that's so the mass, what them call it now? Masculine. Yeah, masculine. Me call it masculine, Zane, but them call it masculine. Because but a masculine, we pretty it up. Because when you're ready for go up on the masculine, you know, people think say some male tendency thing, you know. But we just pretty it up and call it masculine, you see me? Yeah, like masculinity, but I'm really masculine. So you know, so when you talk about the masculine thing, St. James and Kingston and St. Catherine crime, you see me? Yeah man, don't play. And that the teacher teach, you know. So yo, we are going at this, you see it?
Plus Gaza Uncle forward and get for 100 wives. What kind of lie? What will you tell life for Gaza Uncle? Why is that again, man? No appeal. Why is the appeal? Who can hear about
feel?
Gaza Uncle forward and get for 100 wives.
That's Gaza.
What kind of lie? What will you tell life?
Man say him get about 1,000 wives. Then Gaza Uncle say a lie. A rhyme him a rhyme, you know. Kartel us say a rhyme. Gaza Uncle a rhyme, you know. But then Kartel catch back the rhyme and say, what kind of lie? You see me? Gaza Uncle make it big. And then watch you know, Gaza Uncle again show up at the blood clot man party what the year. You see me? And get some info. So Gaza Uncle have the info them for drop. So these are just the proof in the pudding. You see me? Yeah, a little wipe on the pudding. But if the proof in the pudding, we have to get the pudding. That's it. Me boss me gun them anyway, you dismiss her in front of the officer, bullet turn them over. Right beside the soldier, fear information, you dead front the station. This real bad man that I could have live in your pocket from the like crazy glue, the panic feds are coming now, go panic cries, the rifles are behind him and just lucky. Make it the season from the war begin to season. Bad no blood clot. No, be a one man not fool. Man, just like it. Maybe into reason from the war begin to season. Man, just kill without a reason. Like my gun, them won't have evil. No, my gun, them won't have a diesel. And the tears just like a measle. Man, just hey. And man, I go defend it. Pussy hole, this man abroad. Man, I go defend it. Bomber hole. Where this man, I go pretend it. Man, just ah.
Forward and New York, you know. You know, we have to bring him for the ground, make him see the Gaza, USA, give him a couple white, send him on him where, big up Gaza Uncle, we're outside. But this under once, I'm out.
You see that? Vybz Kartel, I endorse Gaza Uncle, you see it? Yeah, so we have to respect Gaza Uncle. Me I tell all of the Gaza man them that you don't go on like you want size up to Gaza Uncle cause him a lead out, you see me? Yeah, and we have to follow because we are the sheep of his pastures. Yeah, his namesake. You don't know the whole thing. Don't know the whole thing.
Yeah. Alright, what happened now is the minimum to the pick with the YouTube from everybody in the world. The minimum we have to sell now we're gonna make Billboard 200,000. I think the more Jamaican I make Billboard 10,000 a week. 10,000 a week. First week we make Billboard. The minimum you have to sell. We're gonna do that. Hey, chat, let we do that, bro. That's rough still, you know? 10K for dancehall. 2K for dancehall. I want 20 alone. How did I make it, brother? You better say 120 can rap, brother. Let's that blast over the room and everywhere.
Dad, you know something I know?
Where's the camera?
I'm female, I don't know. Come on, we have here, brother. Listen to me, man. No, come here. No, the fun days.
Remember that September where they say? But for the rapper girl in September, alright, make it stay with it. Yeah, I said something when I remember and I like them. The people don't listen to them. I don't hear everything while I go on.
No, the rapper girl in the country, no. This one I said no.
That like they got member only section, you know.
Yeah, you have subscription.
Alright,
Members only. And members only, remember when Uncle Simbo Drake and when I say, alright, go and go subscribe and watch it.
I feel like say, alright, that's my opinion, you know. Nobody is fast, but I'm not going to have opinion now. I feel like Cartel has. Alright, so what I'm looking for first week 15,000. Yeah, 15.
I think that's a little bit low. Depends on the 500,000 that he did in the arena. That I'm basing it off that.
I don't know if a world. No. We have to understand. Remember, say if only going to the US, we not have all different countries. Like
so 60. So you're right. Maybe 15%. Okay.
All like US, all US counts. So
yeah. So we have Miami.
Not count the Canada,
Atlanta. Okay, Baltimore. I would say 27, 28 round or so.
Without label, no. If you look anywhere over 25, a goatish, some of that. Without label,
the reason why I said 25, Uncle, is because he does sell out 6 arenas with 20.
Yeah, but hold on, the fam.
So at least one arena.
One way something happen here and just broader.
Yeah, we have to do that. Understand. I'm just being delusional at the moment, sir. Yeah, but kind of see that. But you have to understand, everything I go activate, everything I go man. Yeah, tell you. All right. If that is no. If everything go according, means when we see no if it happen, yeah, I'm 15,000 easy. And then the fan base I go activate. Cause brother, here one, never go. Never go, we won't. The time, you know. Then never leave off the internet for more than 5 days. Repeat it again. Now leave off the internet 5 days. 15,000 not the money. If me get anything under 15, if I make Billboard 200, me can never say I'm not disappointed. Welcome everyone to Gaza Uncle YouTube channel where entertainment lives. Yeah, please like and share and subscribe. If you get 15,000 sales, if you get 15,000 with streams and things, they're gonna be disappointed. And the reason why I mean, all right, let me say one thing. So this is not a clue. I'm gonna say this. If Kartel do what him to do, sell 40,000. If him do what him to do, really and truly. Because sometimes them man say, man, do it and don't. If you do him to do, him must sell 40,000. Tell you, if you really do, we will need things that you can do for sure, 40,000. If the song them what me expect to dep on the album then we can see 50-60. No. That's what I said, not them song dep on the album, brother. Why you have to listen, brother? Listen and fix it, brother. Not them song dep on the album, brother. The song dep on the album, brother. So why you about them major features in the team? Yeah, bro, I don't activate the fan base, that's all. Yeah, that they are saying, me not account in a major features. We don't talk about Kartel. Like when we say the songs, when we expect, like when me think, what me would have want, they say, if we get them tune, like for instance, right? The Empress said, what are the ideas? Well, I know. That cause never work. Yeah, man. State and free, you have to hold down the Gaza. Uncle, have a question for you, see? Is Forever the final album there, no? Forever? What is that? No, sir. Yeah. So why when he got the station and then play, he went say that? Can't say anything. You're right, teacher, can't say anything. I feel like the album I got have Forever is like me and Uncle them have a conversation the other day, right? Where the conversation we say that would be left on the panel, but somebody did not say something about trial and a trial and something like that. Remember we ever said trial again. Remember, I will not talk about yeah, man. Alright. DJ Paul, do what him to do. As I never tell you again. Do what him to do. Him to do DJ Paul. Yeah, pretty girl, my bad. Yeah, pretty girl. You ever say DJ Paul, just as what you're saying I comment. If you do what him to do, you have a hand to sell music. If you do what him to do. Let me tell you that. If you do. Argument done. Just have to be right thing. But yeah, man. Yo. If it's a man, well, I know if it's a man who doesn't find me like, can't hear one. You see where people are run down, Kartel now run down that. Now run down, yeah. Like me and the dog reason, I tell you this, brother. Some people are run down goal and all that. Oh, Kartel now run down that. Kartel now, it's like, alright, when me sit, for a reason what here, I'm gonna say, bro, you don't see you want about 4. The man said, bro, I mean him Kartel. I'm not turn on your dog. As long as I get my million plus in my show, I'm good. As me have shown you, the man say anytime them they sell, anytime that go. Me now run on that don't make nobody better than me. A man have 800 and can't pull the crowd when me a fool. I still me the man a reason, you know. Man say, Mela, a man can have all the 800 in the world, and you can't pull the crowd when me a pull. You know, have the impact when me have you have 800 and 4 Billboard 200. You still can't pull the crowd when me a pull. That
you and Kartel have the same value.
That speak volumes, brother. When me hear the man say something, I say, oh, they down with the pan now. And we the fans just want gold and silver and platinum, man. Man, there's something that's out.
And where's the team then? Where's the team? Stick to your reasoning, man. Where's the team after when he said?
When that forward. So me turn team and say, but we the fans, man, say, yeah, me know. Uno want that, come always here. Uno ask for that. Me not kill up myself, you know, Billboard 200 or no Hot 100. It's good already, brother. And me name Kartel. Already. Anywhere me walk, the place shake. Anywhere me tall, me go, I see stars. Stars see me, them turn idiot. Me go in a world, me got South Beach and see, and I call the name, and them say the way them are go on. Come with you and big artists, we have 10 number one. Turn idiot to MC dog. Name what him name, so the man a show you say, bro, me not happy. Do not 100. Me name dog.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, yeah. And I say, yeah, I just fans need it for us brag. The man I say, me know, because me hear no talk, who know want that. Me good when me there. Some them I go sell gold and silver and platinum. When that happen, me now put extra buying pan it or extra force in it or go on one radio station and give them money for play it. And me now do that. Me put it in the work already. Make it stay away there and it go on. Work, Billboard, Rick Ross have tell number one. Me said 10 number one. You know what people now have that? Not even Nicky have 10. Me said 10. Oh, and me said 10 number one. 10 number one. That. You must do what kind of
That even Jay-Z now have that.
Not even Jay-Z have 10. Me said, man, we have 10 number one.
Chris Brown and
Chris Brown have 10 number one now. Me said 10 number one.
Me say, I know.
No, I'm not telling you about producer right now. Do it.
Yo, one thing with over here, so I tell you now, be a fact, so I'm finding something to get over here. I be a good information to get over here, so you hear that?
So when you hear, man, I say, bro, anyway, man walk on road, people know him, people recognize him, the man a global superstar, the man can't go nowhere in a peace, brother, in a foreign. And that me I tell him, no follow no idiot. No follow no idiot, dog. No idiot. It's what they want to kill a song at the Miami Heat game. Him never show him on the TV. Jim Carter could have sung outside and him show him on the TV with him big name and say, hey, there goes Vybz Kartel. I want to do the dog.
No. It's not the back of a basket and it's clear never post it on Instagram, nobody know.
Tell me if it's easy, so we are easy.
No, but I tell them brother say somebody
so yeah, so when you have a conversation or you say that to him, what after now?
Okay, so me reply and I tell him say, yeah, but we the fans like that. He say, yeah, them their internet reasoning though. Now the real world, when people are call me, whole heap of label are call Kartel right now between me and you.
You don't have to tell me that. Me know that.
Man, I say when they label them a call me, nobody ask you if me have a 100 or so.
Nobody.
A deal them a give me with millions on the table. They not ask me if me have a
Uncle, hold on the ready. Uncle, repeat that again slowly for the people them at the back.
When the man say when the label them a call him, them a give millions of dollars, they not ask me if I have 100 or Billboard 200. And I know that them ask him. Them don't care about that.
Brother, so me know I'm cut your dog. You see, Uncle just proving my point. That's why I'm telling you, hey, you see, if once a reason with logics, you can't fail. Once a reason with logics and don't go around the logics.
I want different stratosphere, dog, you know. A true cartel no boss. Me I tell you no brother. Dog, the man tell me one something and me I say, what you say? I say, Uncle, I want you. You feel like Uncle, me and Kartel, and I say, wait a say a while ago. Man say, yeah, dog. And me say, no. You say, no? You can't just do that and do one because something. Man say, no, dog. And me say, no. Dog, me alright with when me have. Good brother, me not fi sell my soul or me not fi sell nothing, brother. When I'm try to tell you some big whole heap of figures and so.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get Kartel 50
Hold on,
million
rated.
dollars.
Hold on, rated. Man, stick to go on.
Man say, right now, in me and you, let me go now a little
Exclusive. And now, Gaza Uncle exclusive.
Hold on there. Man, I get a tour, pop star, and turn it down.
Can you repeat that again, sir?
Man, I get a tour with a pop star and turn it down.
Well, I know.
Bigger than Sean Paul 30 times.
Uncle.
Stick to reason.
Uncle,
Is it a A class or a
B class?
A class pop artist?
Because here, I really understand, brother. The man has cemented legacy by himself. Because long time the man there prison.
All I know, Uncle.
I'm finished now. Man has cemented legacy by himself. Then a man here can't tell them proud of himself, brother. Yeah. Proud of himself, brother. Man cemented own a legacy. Him no want when the book I write. Him no want when the book I write. The book say person death or bring you to death song. When the book write that person death. Bring you to the first stadium. No.
Like when I read it back in our history.
Nah, open the score for nobody. Woman, brother. And I dig it, woman, brother.
Her name start with M, but continue
Nah,
to
I don't know what you're talking about. And the man just said no.
Yeah.
Man just said no, dog. The man all have. No, dog. We don't even like know your dog. When me and the man read about music, dog, I said, bombo class. And you say no? I said, uncle, the blood class. You medium cartel, no uncle. Yo, dog, I want to love with him. Man said, uncle, medium Vybz Kartel. That's the only thing that him ever say. Uncle, medium cartel, you know.
Because uncle, you know why I'm keep on I say that because
like he must say to me like, they're not frightened me, dog. A medium cartel, brother.
The man know him value, dog.
But the dog a medium cartel, no, dog.
Man,
I say, bombo clot, dog. And I say, uncle, man say, yo, may I get faith? Work with some people where me can say, I mean, from a day of foreign, I know I'm going to reach out to one person for a feature. Them a find me, brother. Them a link Bustard, a link a person, them a link everybody to get to me. Them a find me. Them a find me, brother. The amount of feature them on the table and me just not do no song for them. Me just not take nothing yet. Whole heap of deals, borrow and business papers still a sign and percentage and this and that. And me just not do nothing, brother. Humble one thing. What even tell us the man I enjoy music? I don't think a joke me I make.
No, believe it, man.
Bro, you see man catalog, I feel a lifetime that Kartel have to sing a next song, you know. So all who they are talking about, oh, him not find out it, him not have to sing a next song, you know. I wouldn't have to find it. And
not
try
a single one.
But if I did have a question to your uncle, go on with it. I interview uncle on the one at the station.
And that me I say, can interview me I know.
Yeah, because you get to you reach a pinnacle you know. Right now you're bigger than that channel.
I interview. Okay, say as a vote next.
I repeat, you know, every repeat, because you know, there are some people who don't do it, there are some people in the class.
Look you in that.
See, they will tell him now we need the bragging rights for the TikTok and Instagram street. He said, yeah, man, I know about that. I don't know what's so because I don't know me. I mean, I just one thing we love when speak to himself as a third person. I mean, Kartel, man. Yeah, man, me, Vybz Kartel, Adija Palmer. We don't worry about nothing, man.
It's where man are going with in America, in England, and in Canada. Big artists have to reach out.
Bro, alright. Well, let me say something to the way we don't know.
Yeah.
First, Drake ever cancel him show. Nobody show, you know. I don't know why you think this is not a big deal, you know.
Okay, you have to explain for some. You have to explain what.
Hold on. So when Drake didn't show them, Drake have little Dirk, little Baby, little Wayne, Nicki Minaj,
Lil Wayne.
because little Wayne already Birdman. Everybody wanna can think about as big rapper. Chance the rapper. The Baby, with the other one named Future.
Little Baby. Yeah, man.
Well, so think about this. You have all of those people.
Yeah.
And OVO, Aki, Migos, and the man decides, say, yo, me can cancel my show. Me can cancel my show and keep a Vybz Kartel concert. 100% no say him nah lose. Not one person in Canada cry and say they miss OVO. Not one person a cry say they miss OVO.
Yo,
You know,
we never really
hold
that
on. Let me say something to you. At this you
Yeah.
never know. Because sometimes I have to put a little bit of a 4 show for keeping up.
Hold on, Gary.
For
Hold on, Gary.
sure. A 4 show
Yeah.
to keep. When you do the first one, when you do the back-to-back one first, and the way you ticket
Stick to your reason, chat. Stick to your reason,
and I
chat.
said, no, third one. When the man go to third one, I see the man and say, yo, 4th one. The
Yeah.
man say, no, dog, no bother. Bro, 4th one that broke Drake record, you know. Drake in him own a city, not do 3 nights, you know. Let me say it again. In him own a city, not do 3 nights.
They could handle 4.
Yeah, because they could have 4. Easy.
4.
With ease.
Yeah.
Date forward with the other one. And people talk, say, the Ray. Bro, I reschedule show that. The show will keep back. Me just have to make on laugh. Sometimes I mean just want to answer some questions, you know. You see, show a Houston, it will keep back.
I mean, man, it's a must, man.
Million and one time you said that already still not
It was about ticket price or ticket
No,
fee.
man.
When I get it twisted, it was not about that.
I think I venue or something. Bro, see, I tell you, let me get back my money, bro. That ticket sell, bro. I will have people me or talk about it, bro. I'll get back my money, brother, because I tell the people in the comment and I page and I say, oh, what the fuck this? I want to go on.
I know what
We never know what really. As I say, that show me say Vybz Kartel can go anywhere, bro.
Bro, you see the brand? Hold on there. You see him brand? I don't want to take it for a joke thing. That's why I ever defend it now. Hold on, you see him brand? Him brand not joke thing, brother. And joke thing. Me I tell you from now. To maybe we look on him like, oh, I'm a Jamaican. The reason why people look on Sean Passer with the big label and the something them. Dog, I don't know joke. I don't know joke, man, brother. Real talk, me I tell you, I don't know joke, man.
A industry king, man.
Bro, believe me, brother. You see the man like
you know what I realize too? We know that Kartel a major in a Jamaican culture. Bro, you see in the hip-hop community, brother, the man major, bro. Bro, when you see the big name artists them, like artists when I business long time, when you hear the man them talk about Kartel, they know them, the Drake them, the Rick Ross. When you hear the man they talk about Kartel, they have the Wiz, with the brother name, with Alicia Keys' husband, him. When you hear the man they talk about Kartel, they have to say, yo, dad.
Swiss Beats.
All right, so once again, all right, hold on, let me just tell you this again, I can understand.
Yeah.
Vybz Kartel as a dancehall artist, the world. I want to not feel like it's a joke. Because I said enough time we people, because maybe we not see the whole heap of platinum them and something them, bro. People go through some different fields to achieve. That people go through some different fields to achieve them something. You hear that, brother? Let me tell you why I say that. I think yesterday I think they certify thing they with nobody now you know. Him supposed to complain say goal and something that song you sell all over and him not see the right money feed. But if you interview them, I tell you the truth. Them afraid to tell you the truth. Cranium song. If Cranium truly truth what really happen, how much money them really make. You know, look on that say, Bumbo Clot, dog, I saw them do you. All of the gold and the platinum where you see that sell all over the world. You look on it, you look on things different.
I must say those writing rights, them man they mostly get when they on label like that, you know, bro.
No. What kind of coach?
No, man, I feel something, man.
Coach, you see, overall, I saw them niggas that get robbed by the labels. Cause watch this now, watch it now. You see, they always say like when we bring hip hop comparisons in, them always wonder why we always do it. But realistically, this is where music sells. You get what me I say? And me know Uncle probably can attest to it. Say yo, hip hop taught him a lot about the music business by paying attention to hip hop.
Yeah, man, hip hop.
It teach them a lot about the music business because if you listen to them, the artists, them, bro, you will find the artists them will tell you about the business. Like a Joe Budden now, right? When I listen to America. Brother, them one that we tell us that Joe have a tune named Pump It Up Dog, right? When I biggest fucking rap songs them the tune they like game.
I want to tell you what you start make money off it, man.
Brother, the song Just Sell Gold the other day, he talks about it all the time. I say, yo, it's impossible. When I tell him, say, yo, that song is Just a Sell Gold, but him I say, yo, when can do? Him don't own the song. You see me, I say in a couple more years, the time I forward with the ownership transfer black team, and then him are good. But then when we tell us, say, yo, watch this, see? The song, the label own the song. You know what the label do with that song there, bro? I forget which game it was exactly. I think it was Def Jam or one of them games they were forward.
Def Jam.
Bro, the man then put the song. The man then put the song on the game, bro. You get what me I say? And that the main song on the game. The game sell how much 1,000 first week or first day, some crazy numbers the game they do my youth. And film album end up sell one lower number and the dog I say, yo, look on that and my song I leading song for that game and everything. And then drop this game before my album even forward out. So you know, see some numbers they skew right there. So but the label don't do that with the song because they're getting paid regardless from this game company after every CD we sell.
Alright, hold on, the phone cut out.
Yeah, man, go on rated. You chat too much facts, man. It takes a bun up, man. Back to your interview.
I'm just talking a little bit, and I couldn't know something. Because Cara, I'm going to hear something, but hold on there.
Yeah, back to the interview. Go on.
This year is going to be a serious year. Because I think at this year, when I was see the launch of Adija Records in America, maybe at this year it put out some new faces and something. So this year is not only just Kartel and trying to prove something to the haters. He's just doing what he does. Different level. You see me? So I say half as them on the table, them just match up everything. I don't say me can't even speak. But just go on a little inside to make you know what I go and still what. Half as them on the table, the Vybz Kartel to be something like you know, like how them would have go through VP to get artists. That's how them want to do. Like go through like Vybz Kartel label to get artists through the label.
Right.
Yeah.
Birdman
Okay.
type deal, man.
Yeah, so the what say, for instance, them give Vybz Kartel a portion of money, and Vybz Kartel was signed 4 artists. And it's signed
Assume things about me
signed
they
to
don't
Vybz
know me.
Kartel and go through like
That's where people always go wrong.
maybe
They judge
energy,
people.
universal,
I would know me for yourself, you
so
have
I
said
think
no.
it's on the
So what's
table,
that
no,
passing
no.
woman? This
Wow.
woman
I'm
dip it double.
gonna say the dog level is far again. Far. More